Hi guys, this is the Python series. Now let's discuss about tell method in file handling. Okay, what is the usage of tell method? Tell method that is used to print the byte number at which the file pointer currently exists. Okay, I repeat it again. Tell method that is used to print the byte number at which the file pointer currently exists. Okay, we know already. If we open any file in R mode, the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Write mode at the beginning of the file. For append mode at the end of the file. Isn't it? If you use this tell method, we can identify where the file pointer currently exists. Okay. Let's see this example with open. Inside the round brackets, the first parameter is the name of the file. Inside the D drive, my file name is file, text to file. Okay, and the mode is R mode. And thus is the keyword, and file pointer object name is FP. Whatever you want, you give. Okay, and the colon, indentation. Print method file pointer position in byte value. Okay, FP is the name of the file pointer object. Dot tell method. Okay, so what is the role of this tell method? This method is used to return the file pointer position, that is the current position. Okay, so if we open any file in R mode, means the file pointer position is what? 0 only, isn't it? Now I execute this one. So this is our file pointer position. Okay, beginning of the file. Okay. If I use the append mode, okay, now I execute the same again. So this is the end of the file. Okay, this is the file pointer position, because if we open any file in append mode, means the file pointer position is at the end of the file, isn't it? So here we got 27. Okay. Now I change this append mode into R mode. Okay, and FP dot read. Okay, so read 5 means 5 bytes only will be read, isn't it? So again I print the same statement here. Okay, so what is the output for this statement? If we use the OR mode, this statement returns only the 0 byte value. Okay, after I read the 5 characters, what we will get? Let me execute the same again. So this statement returns 0 at the beginning of the file, because here we have used the OR mode. Okay, and after read the 5 characters, okay, the file pointer position is at the 6th byte. Okay, so now I use the variable C, okay, and print the content. So let me execute the same again. This is the 0th position, and 1, 2, 3 and one single space 4 and 5. Okay, so after the 5 characters, my file pointer is at the 6th byte. Okay, I hope you all understood about the tell method. So what is the usage of tell method? It is used to return the current file pointer position. That's it. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.